What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you the coolest mini ramp trick in the world. This is a frontside pivot. You just get up into it, and the cool thing about this is you can sit up there and then you can just pop right in. I see people doing this all the time, like they'll roll up and they'll just pop right in and make it look really cool. This is a trick that's actually kind of hard for me. Like, I hate doing stuff frontside in ramps. It's just scary because you could slip out and fall back into the transition, and you have to go back in backwards. So I'm going to do it on this little tiny quarter pipe. So like I accidentally demonstrated there, you want to learn how to do a frontside axle stall first, just because it's way easier and it's just a building stepping stone to this trick. I didn't mean to do it, it just kind of fell out down. That's one of the hardest things about this trick, is holding it up. Like when you get into that and you got speed, your board just wants to fall back down. Especially if the coping's kind of sticky, it just wants to fall back down. So I feel like the reason I like doing them backside better is you can cheat and you can rest your heel up here if you mess up. But with the front side, you can't really rest your heel back in the ramp. You really have to stay just on that back truck. I can't seem to make this trick look cool. No matter how many times I do it, I sit up there for like a minute every time. Let's try and do it a little bit faster. I'll put the camera down at the bottom. So like a lot of skateboarding, this is all on your shoulders. You start turning them, you lock in, your weight is right back here in this pocket, holding that wheel against the coping. And yeah, your weight's just balanced right over that back heel side wheel. Then you keep turning your shoulders and you just kind of fall into the ramp. The hardest part is just holding the board in this position and going in blindside, like going in with your shoulders facing the ramp. You just got to make sure you keep turning your head and your shoulders and watch where you're going, and you'll get through it.